Hello and welcome to Adeline's Adventures. Today we are at the National Museum in Cardiff. Unfortunately we were unable to video inside, so what we've done is put together a load of photos and placed them into this video for you to follow our adventures. As you can see, the price tariff for cars, it's only a couple of pounds, and I've always found it cheaper to drive the car here rather than take a bus. Also, there's plenty of parking along the side of the museum and around the back, but if you do want to take a bus or a train, just take them to the centre of Cardiff and it's a short walk. The stairs are big? Ah, okay. As you can see, the museum has a lot to offer, but what we're interested in today is just what keeps the children entertained. So with that, you have the rocks that they can interact with, they can touch them. Are they hard? Are they smooth? Are they cold? Are they spiky? And of course, you've got your sea life, your plants, the fossils. And then the main reason that my children love going there is, of course, the dinosaurs.
That's my one. Can you see my different pattern?
I can see the different patterns.
You need to do your different pattern.
Okay, I'll do my different pattern. So we're coming to the end of the video now, so I just wanted to say thank you to everyone that has stayed with us to the end, and we look forward to our next adventure with you. I feel like?
Good.
They feel good. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We are a new page and hopefully we'll be bringing you lots of inexpensive or free places to go. In case I didn't say it before, the museum is free.